So as you will have just seen, had a pretty epic bash there in the garden with the off the good old ramp, which I found up in the top corner of the garden up there. As you can see, it's pretty battered, completely shaved all of the side off here, and this bottom bit here is completely destroyed. Loads of bits off it there. But the Team Magic as usual, well, not all the time, but most of the time, being an absolute tank. It's a bit warmer today, about 13 degrees Celsius, so the plastics aren't quite as brittle. It's taken an absolute hammering, as you will have seen in the previous clips. And nothing is broken that I've seen so far. It's all completely in one piece still, which is amazing. No arms broken today. What an absolute tank of a little truck this is. These are the kind of days when it works well, and you definitely don't regret having it. So that's with the Hobbywing system still. I think I've got a 14 or a 15 tooth pinion on there still. JX, I can't remember whether this is the 36 or 27 kilogram version of this servo here. Plastic servo horn still in there from stock, holding up. Unbreakable body did its job. I've got these bits underneath the body to help it. It's incredible, is this truck. Wheelie bar, perfectly fine still. What a great bashing session. Did tons of backflips, did even more off camera as well. So, but you'll see plenty if you're in slow motion. And everything seems to be good. Everything's still straight. I wasn't sending it mega high or anything, but landed wrong quite a few times, did plenty of backflips. So it's a nice hole there, you can see in the back. It's got plenty of reinforcement underneath there, but I think I'm just gonna reface it. Hopefully I've got some more wood somewhere. Anyway, that's it for this one. Goodbye, see you in the next one.